we're here with Jerkman in Florida.
Orlando, Florida.
Orlando, Florida, and
Yeah.
Jerkman is jerking up a storm today. We have a whole lot of jerk chicken. So Jerkman, how long you been jerking?
Shit, for a while now, you know. About 11 years now.
Yeah. And how is it been going?
Well, I always go good. When I do things for the right reason.
Yeah. What about the patronage? Who has been supporting you? Jamaican?
Everybody. Every culture come in.
Nice.
And I want the culture minister coming in our building.
Wow. I'm telling you guys, this chicken is looking so good. So let me ask you this, Jerkman. You only do chicken?
Nah, we do a whole heap of different things. Curry chicken, brown stew, oxtail, wings, fries, burger, shrimp. Anything pretty much you name it, we have it, you know. And one stop we name.
One stop. You hear that, guys? Jerk chicken, one stop.
Jerkman, one stop.
All right. All
You
right.
Google it, Jerkman Barbecue when you Google it.
Jerkman Barbecue, guys. Jerkman Barbecue in Orlando, Florida. And how often do you do this, Jerkman?
Every day, man, every day.
Every day. I know it's the business.
Business good.
Good. You used to do this back home? That's where you learned the trade?
Nah, man. I learned the trade right because I come when I'm young, you know. I always go back home and eat chicken, but I never go out there and cook none.
Okay.
Yeah, so I now I do my thing.
Okay. So where you learn the skill, Jerkman?
Born with it.
Nice. Okay, and what you serve the chicken with?
Right now, French fries, we are serve. And then we do the cook up. We have the rice and peas, cabbage, macaroni and cheese, everything.
Wow. So guys, you heard it. Next time you want some tasty, delicious food, you know where to come.
Jerkman Barbecue.
All right, there you go. Until next time, guys.